To seek an Alitalia representative from SE.
A travel agency, and Ren said the minute the internet came online, people could go online and do their own stuff.
Your bank's right here,
He said, I knew that it would just be an amazing proposition.
Your bank's right here, yeah?
It's funny because that's exactly right.
Well,
Can you wait a second, Alana?
and then you come back.
Please take it out and follow along as we cover some very important information. To fasten your seatbelt, simply insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle. Pull on the strap to tighten the belt around your hips, and to release, simply lift the upper portion of the buckle. Your seatbelt has to be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign above you is illuminated, coincidentally as it is right now. As well, ladies and gentlemen, as you might be sleeping during the flight, just a helpful hint, make sure that it's fastened and visible to the flight attendants. That way your flight attendants won't disturb you throughout this flight. There are a total of 8 emergency exits on board this aircraft. There are 4 window exits located mid-cabin over the wings, 2 emergency door exits located in the front of the plane, and 2 emergency door exits located all the way in the back. These exits are clearly marked, so please take a moment to find the exit closest to you along with all other exits. This aircraft is equipped with floor lighting that will come on automatically in the event of a power loss or an emergency. The floor area will become illuminated and all exits will be indicated by an exit sign. The cabin's pressure is controlled for your comfort and your safety. Should this change, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel located above your head. Stay seated and pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your head with the elastic strap. Pull on the ends of the elastic strap to tighten. Remember to breathe normally and do not remove your mask until the flight attendant tells you it's okay. Even though oxygen is flowing, that plastic bag still may not inflate. That's perfectly normal. And for those of you traveling with children or anyone else that may require assistance, we do ask that you put your own mask on first prior to helping anyone else out. We will be demonstrating how to use your life vest because our flight will be taking us over water. If you are seated in rows 1 through 4, your life vests are located under the center console. For those guests seated in rows 5 through 40, your life vests are located underneath your seats. Please have a look so you know exactly where it is, but please don't remove them at this time. Should you require your life vest, remove it from the stowage compartment by either pulling the center console down or by pulling down the red strap underneath your seat. Place the finger from each hand through the holes in the pouch and pull in the direction of the arrows. Remove the life vest from the pouch. Put your head through the opening of the life vest, just ensuring that the operating instructions are visible on the front of the life vest. Secure the strap around your waist, fastening it at the front, and ensure the strap is secured tightly around your waist by pulling on the loose end. Once you are outside the aircraft, inflate your life vest by pulling on the red tab, and if your life vest does not inflate, just blow into the red tube. Now that that's done, it is audience participation time, so if I could get everybody on board, so please lean forward in your seats and press that button on your armrest, or if you're in the bus section, pull that button towards you. Make sure everyone's seat back is all the way forward for takeoff, as well tray tables do need to be up and locked. Double check to make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened, visible to the flight attendant. Any carry-on items that you brought on board with you, ensure that they're pushed all the way underneath the seat in front of you, ensuring the aisles are completely clear for takeoff. We do ask that you pay attention to the passenger information signs located in the console above your seat. That's the seatbelt sign and the no smoking sign. At this time, you are welcome to use your earphones and small handheld electronic devices, provided the electronics are secured or held and the cellular signal does remain off. Once the engines start up, you will have access to Westjet Connect. If there's anything else we can do for you, if you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. Other than that, we invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy the 6-hour, 47-minute flight over to London Gatwick. We'll run through this for you one more time en français, and then we will be up and on our way. Thanks so much for your attention, and once again, welcome on board.
Afin d'assurer la sécurité de tous, nous vous prions de nous accorder toute votre attention alors que nous examinons les procédures de sécurité suivantes. Dans la pochette du siège devant vous, vous trouverez une carte des mesures de sécurité. Veuillez en suivre avec nous les points importants. Pour attacher votre ceinture de sécurité, insérez la languette de métal dans la boucle. Tirez sur la courroie pour l'ajuster sur vos hanches. Pour détacher votre ceinture, il suffit de soulever la boucle. Votre ceinture de sécurité doit être attachée en tout temps lorsque le voyant lumineux est allumé. Il y a un total de 8 sorties d'urgence sur cet appareil. Il y a 4 hublots de sortie situés au milieu de la cabine, au-dessus des ailes. 2 portes de sortie à l'avant et 2 portes à l'arrière de la cabine. Ces sorties d'urgence sont clairement indiquées. Prenez le temps de repérer la sortie la plus proche de votre place, ainsi que l'emplacement des autres sorties de secours. Cet appareil est équipé d'un éclairage au sol qui s'allumera en cas d'urgence ou de panne d'alimentation. Des trajets lumineux vous conduiront aux sorties d'urgence. La pression dans la cabine est réglée pour assurer votre confort. En cas d'un changement de pression, le panneau situé au-dessus de votre tête s'ouvrira automatiquement et déclenchera les masques à oxygène. Restez assis, tirez sur le masque et l'oxygène se libérera automatiquement. Placez le masque fermement sur votre nez et votre bouche, tout en passant la bande élastique derrière votre tête. Pour serrer, tirez simplement sur les 2 extrémités de la bande élastique. Respirez normalement et gardez votre masque jusqu'à ce qu'un agent de bord vous demande de l'enlever. Il est possible que le sac de plastique ne se gonfle pas, même si l'oxygène circule. Nous rappelons aux invités voyageant avec des enfants ou une personne ayant besoin d'aide qu'ils doivent placer leur masque en premier avant d'aider les autres. Nous allons démontrer comment utiliser votre gilet de sauvetage, puisque le vol d'aujourd'hui survolera des étendues d'eau. Si vous êtes assis dans les rangées 1 à 4, votre gilet de sauvetage est situé sous la console centrale. Si vous êtes assis dans les rangées 5 à 4,
shock during our flight, we still do strongly recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. On one hand, it's excellent common sense, and on the other hand, it will prevent the flight attendants from disturbing you should you choose to have a nap on this evening's flight. There are a total of 7 washrooms on board. There are 2 washrooms at the front of the plane, 3 washrooms in the middle of the plane, and 2 washrooms all the way in the back of the plane. A friendly reminder, WestJet is a non-smoking airline. Smoking is not permitted anywhere on board this aircraft. WestJet can actually be up and running shortly. Wi-Fi will be available soon. So please feel free to connect to the WestJet Connect Wi-Fi signal and then open up your WestJet app and launch the service to enjoy WestJet Connect. If you don't have a personal electronic device, we will be coming through the cabin shortly with tablets for rental. These tablets do not have Wi-Fi capabilities, however, they do have a selection of television and movies for you to enjoy and peruse on our way across the pond. WestJet does not accept cash. We only accept major credit cards, and of course our favorite credit card to accept is the WestJet RBC MasterCard. If you're interested in obtaining a WestJet RBC MasterCard, there is a beautiful pamphlet for you to enjoy in the seat pocket in front of you, or you can ask any one of your flight attendants. For the comfort of everyone on board, we will ask at this time that you please lower your window shades. This way everyone can enjoy a lovely, peaceful environment while we fly over to London Gatwick. Thanks so much for your attention. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the WestJet hospitality.
Le commandant de bord a laissé la consigne de ceinture de sécurité allumée. Afin d'assurer votre sécurité, nous vous demandons de rester à votre place avec votre ceinture de sécurité bien bouclée. Nous vous recommandons de garder votre ceinture bouclée en tout temps lorsque vous êtes assis. Si vous désirez dormir pendant le vol, veuillez attacher votre ceinture de sécurité de sorte qu'elle soit visible aux agents de bord. Ainsi, ils n'auront pas à vous déranger pendant votre sommeil. Cet appareil est muni de 7 toilettes, 2 à l'avant, 3 au milieu et 2 à l'arrière de la cabine. Vous pouvez maintenant utiliser vos appareils électroniques de grande taille, comme les ordinateurs portatifs. Comme toujours, ce vol de WestJet est un vol non-fumeur. En raison de la durée du vol aujourd'hui, nous sommes ravis de vous offrir de louer des tablettes qui comprennent une sélection de films et d'émissions de télévision. Ces tablettes seront récupérées environ 30 minutes avant l'atterrissage. Le menu du contenu de la tablette se trouve dans la pochette devant vous. Si vous désirez louer une tablette, veuillez avoir votre carte de crédit en main lorsque nous passerons dans la cabine. Nous acceptons toutes les cartes de crédit principales pour le paiement de vos achats à bord. Si vous désirez en savoir davantage sur le programme récompense WestJet ou la carte WestJet Mastercard RBC,
little bit more than 10. Checking the bag to see if the shoes are there.
You know what you need more? 4 months across the country and 5 weeks on the road.
No, we're going to survive. Sorry? No, not very many times for that.
Can you hand me my bag?
Ready for it?
Yeah. Please.
attendants, please prepare for arrival. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London and good morning. The local time here is approximately 9:58. Due to the possibility of a quick turn or a sudden stop, we ask and require that everyone please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign indicating then and only then it is safe for everyone to unfasten their seatbelts and stand. Please use caution when opening up those overhead bins, as some of your items may have shifted during the flight. A friendly reminder that smoking is only permitted once you're well inside the terminal and in a designated smoking area only, please. Upon our arrival here in London, a smiling customer service agent will meet and greet the flight to answer any questions you might have about baggage or any connection flights. Speaking of baggage, you and your baggage will be reunited at the carousel. You may now take your personal electronic device and attach it back to a cellular network. And on behalf of all of us here at Westjet, but especially your in-flight crew, we would like to thank you so much for flying with us today. We know that you have a choice out there, and we sure are glad that you chose us. Have a wonderful stay in London, or wherever your final destination may be. Thanks again for flying Westjet.
Veuillez garder votre ceinture attachée et vos bagages à main bien rangés, car il est possible que l'appareil fasse un mouvement brusque ou un arrêt soudain. Vous pourrez vous lever sans danger une fois la consigne de ceinture de sécurité éteinte. Tout en vous assurant que vos bagages à main demeurent bien rangés, vous pouvez maintenant activer le signal cellulaire de vos appareils électroniques portatifs. Veuillez faire attention en ouvrant les compartiments supérieurs. Certains objets auraient pu se déplacer pendant le vol. Un agent de Westjet vous attend à l'intérieur de l'aérogare et répondra à vos questions si vous en avez. Nous aimerions vous rappeler qu'il est permis de fumer uniquement dans les endroits désignés. Merci.
Bye.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.